how to buy BERACHAIN token. So this token came under the symbol of BERA. Now before we start, so this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. Now to be able to buy this token, just click on the official website. This token right now it's in like available. So as you can see, the airdrop checklist is live, but we want to buy this token. So what you need to do here, if you go up, as you can see, you will be able to join to community here, as you can see. So keep scroll down until you find that section, as you can see. So swap tokens and provide liquidity. So if you click here on the apps, you will be able to see this websites. Click on DEX. So after that, what you need to do, first of all, connect your wallet for that. So I will select the MetaMask. So after you connect your wallet, you will be able to click on swap tokens. So this is our token. Click here to switch. And from the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you use the USDT, as you can see. So now select it. So after that, type here how much you want to buy, as you can see here. So as you can see here will be to see how much you will receive. After that, click on preview and you will be able to complete the buy process on your MetaMask or any wallet that you connect to this website. So the pop-up here will be appear from your wallet that you connected to this website to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a BERACHAIN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.